Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove WhatsApp calling. Now it's pretty easy, and this solution works both on iPhone and Android. So basically, once you have a call, anybody with that link, so everybody can just join your call. So what you want to do is click on calls. Once you have clicked on calls, then you want to click on create a call link, and as you can see, we have the video calling here. Now, to stop somebody from joining, the first way to do it would just be to block contact. But the only way to permanently remove it is to go back, click on settings, click on chats, then you want to click on chat backup and backup everything, so that you have all of your chats backed up. And now you can delete WhatsApp entirely, reinstall it again, and once you do that, once you log back in, restore your chats, the call link will be gone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.